It's your girl Lace, like I already know who it is, and I am back again with another lit video. Now, your girl is going to get some outfits for Labor Day in Jouvert. Right now, what time is it, Franny?
It is 2:38.
2:38. We better go to the Parkway to see what's out there and some little cute outfits and flags, of course. And then yeah, I'm not gonna be vlogging the whole time today because I'm making sure I get everything in enough storage for later tonight and tomorrow. Y'all, I know y'all clowning me like, yo, this bitch hair looks crazy, but I don't give a fuck because yeah, your girl went to Miami and the shit got fucked up, but I had a ball and this shit's coming out after Labor Day, so yeah, bear with me, y'all. We in a car now. So we was waiting for the bus and the bus did not come. Like, we should have knew like the fucking transportation was gonna be crazy this day. Like, we was waiting for like 40 minutes, y'all. Like, and we didn't even realize how long we was waiting until we actually started thinking like, yo, why we still not on the way yet? We in a oopsie going to the Parkway. I'll get to y'all when we get there. We in a Parkway with it now.
All right, South Motor. This is like the big one.
That's the big one? We trying to find some shorts. Like, I really want some shorts. I'm asking everybody, like, I'm dead not playing. I want some fucking shorts. Trini or Haitian, I need some fucking shorts.
You have shorts for me?
What's over there? Look. We finna see what this is about. What the fuck? Why the fuck she already on the why she already on the Parkway? She supposed to be meeting us.
We outside today.
Hey, yeah, we outside. Can't find shorts. Oh my god. That shit is getting a fucking annoying, bro. Y'all, when I tell you this shit took like 40 minutes trying to find some shorts and we still ain't find no shorts yet. Like, this shit was crazy. We went to every stand on the Parkway and they did not have no Virgin Island shorts. I was so mad.
10 hours later.
I got a bad bitch to church going to me.
Y'all talking about the haircut right now.
Because we outside.
My street hurt.
Yo.
We outside. Fuck y'all. I'm not from a Jouvert. Fuck you, bitch.
If y'all not outside for Jouvert, fuck y'all.
Yeah.
Fuck y'all. Store trip. Taking some licks.
Take a jump. This bitch not walking straight.
I'm really not. Like, this cut water and this. Let me tell y'all the cut water I tried. I tried the, what was it? The pina colada
Stop it. Get some help.
Pina colada cut water. And then I have Bacardi. And then I have some beatbox in here. It's pink. I don't know why it's like looking grayish. But, yeah, we outside. I got my peoples in the back. They just walking a little slow. My people's in the back. Yeah.
We outside, baby.
Yeah. We outside. But yeah, little quick store trip.
Look at these two. Look at these two.
We got a video. Like, what? Wait, Scorpio. What did he talk about? Like, what? Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, the makeup eaten. Yes. Clock it. Nails done. Nails done. Keep the nails did. Hello, store trip. I'm gonna get to y'all when we get upstairs and when everybody gets here.
A few moments later.
Everybody got their flag on, like.
And look at mom. Look at mom, bro. Look at mommy, though. Big blood right here. Okay. Go for the VI.
Good, Freddie?
Not about like where in the
I don't want to hands up. Let me see a finger. Come on, Franny. This bitch Niecy crashed. Niecy, you good, my heart? 1:45. What the fuck? It's not even 2 o'clock yet, and Niecy crashed. Like Niecy, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm on my big toe right now. Yo, Niecy, are you good? We all know. You sure? My friend, you got your phone. You got my phone. I love you. Friend, you got your phone. You love everybody. You love. I've never seen Niecy. Bro, it's that cut in the vodka in the. You see, that's why you can't drink with it. Oh, everybody already downstairs. Yeah. Yo, come on, we got 2 minutes. Yo, we got 2 minutes. 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 What am I stop? We got 2 minutes. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. They wailing. They wailing. Yeah, we deep as fuck. Y'all's not fucking with us. What you said, Niecy? Niecy, what you said? He got a Cookie Monster book bag. Give me a cookie. Oh, why they all running? Y'all, come on. Y'all, come on. Come on.
Wait, what the hell? What the
Like 7. Y'all talk about some 2 minutes. That bitch say 7 minutes, bro. Like, bro, that shit say 7 minutes, bro. Y'all is wailing. Y'all standing in a corner looking like a bunch of prostitutes. It's not the bus. Oh, damn, never mind again, chat.
Whoever was saying they're searching the bus is crazy. And they got us running for what, 7 minutes? Out of pocket.
Y'all. We outside. We didn't even get there yet, bro. We done partied our life away in that crib.
It's 2:05.
It's 2:05. 2:05 a.m. and we is now on our way to motherfucking Jouvert. For Clarkson's.
Wait, Empire like by the 12 bus?
No. I caught that on camera. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Yo, word to my dad. Yo, y'all saw that shit, bro? Yo, y'all, we done took over the whole bus. We done took over the whole bus. goggles, bro.
I feel like I look tired. Like,
Look at my eyes, bro. My eyes is red, bro. Like, I'm busting. You don't see my eyes, bro? Almost at the Parkway, though. Like, we got like 3 more stops.
you got me in the camera. Oh my god.
But y'all have to read the outfit. Like, AI all day, every day. She rapping Jamaica.
Let her introduce herself.
What?
Yo, chat. My name is Jasmine. You know, I'm lit.
Yo, my sister got a Jamaica shirt. That should say Haitian.
Jamaica.
Like, you good, man?
Nah.
Huh?
You good, man?
I'm just 30, chat.
36.
230.
Right.
234. I said 236. Y'all seen how fucking we was just partying in the crib. We is fucking drunk as fuck, bro. Then she took him out go to sleep. We got 2 more stars. I'm not drunk.
10 hours later.
Fucking dying, bro. Look at my lashes, bro. Oh my god. Look at my lashes. Look at my lashes, bro. They is wailing, bro. Big Jamaica. had died. A lot has been just going on. Group has split up. A lot of people still wanted to stay at the Parkway, so they stayed at the Parkway, and some who wanted to change and go home, they went showered, went home, ate, whatever. But we're still going back to the Parkway. I'm not done with Labor Day. That was just the beginning. It's currently 1 something right now, so yeah, it's really late. People are still in the shower right now, so yeah, we just waiting till they get done. Then I'm gonna put on my Labor Day outfit, and then we're gonna go right back to the Parkway and meet up with everybody else. So I'm not even gonna be talking so much. I'm gonna just go straight into the video. So yeah, me and Franny is finally done getting ready. Like, this is the Labor Day outfit. Like, yeah. It's so cute, y'all. We got this on the Parkway, and yeah, this is really cute. Look. Okay, yeah, y'all can see the shit right there. Yeah, the VI. And then at the bottom, it also said at the bottom as well. And it's like a little hard. Like, yeah, it feels good. The material, so 10 out of 10. T. So yeah, we finna be,
Yeah, we gonna have the big flag.
yeah, because we showing a lot of skin, so we're gonna be having this. I'm gonna get to y'all when we get to the Parkway. We still waiting on more people because yeah, we had to come, change, take a shower, rewind, and we back outside. Good butt? I should have said that shit.
Everybody on the left side. Everybody on the left side of the truck. You gotta go on the right side. I don't want none of y'all to get hurt on this side. Yeah. Everybody walk on.
Hours later.
Y'all, I had so much fun. Like, I really enjoyed my day. If y'all want another video or part 2, please let me know in the comments. Like, yeah, you see, yeah, we took over. West Indians really took over. Like, we is the best.